Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how to use the concatenate function. So concatenate function is a function, it's a very fancy word for something very simple. Basically, if you have two words, let's say hello sir, you have two words and you want to make that into a complete sentence, or you want to combine them together to hello and sir in one. So for example, hello sir, or you want maybe hello space sir. So how to do that? Well, with concatenation you can do that quickly. So first of all, let's type in concatenate, and concatenate is a function you'll be using quite often. So let's open up our formula builder, and then you can see here the text. It will ask you, all right, what's text number 1? So if you want to click here, you can see right now we have some issues. We cannot click here the cell. No worries about that. So if you want to click that, you can click here underneath and then you press up. And that doesn't work, of course, because we are in the formula builder. So I'll just put in number 1. So you can see it starts to recognize hello. So now you can have the second one. Yes, the second one could be sir. So what happened? You will get hello sir attached. Let's click here on done. All right, and that's it. So that's maybe nice, but maybe say, well, I don't like that. So let's do exactly the same. I'll just copy all of this. But now I want to do something additional. So there are two options what we can do. So let's put in the plus here, and let's move this one down. So we have here a text. Since you can also add your own text, and what I want to do is I want to add space between it, because there's space missing, because these are just words without space. So double quotation, space, double quotation. Now you click done, and now you see it works perfectly. And this is how you use concatenate. And so you can concatenate multiple cells and multiple values in long sentences. And this is very often done with, for example, in a website, so hello, and then you see the username, and they get the username from some database. That's really what they're doing here. So this is almost a similar structure with a website. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below. In there, I have a wonderful Excel course. You just click on the link. You get access to a wonderful Excel course for free, and you can learn and improve your skills more.